Hello friends, how are you? We have another video and it is about Crompton Airbuddy kitchen fan. And this is Sannidhi with another video. And mainly subscribe my channel and like my all videos and press the bell icon so that you can get all the videos. So you will be wondering, what is this? This is a tower fan. It is mainly used in kitchen or in a small room. As I told you, this is from Crompton Airbuddy kitchen fan. As you can see, this tells that your best friend in the kitchen. MRP of the product. Let me show you the features. Maximum portability, lightweight compact design for efficient use in any position anywhere you need it. Easy maintenance, safe for children. Blade-free design ensures safety for children. Do you know next what we are going to do? Unboxing, my favorite part. I can't wait what to see. And I am taking my mother's help to unbox it. Will you unbox with me? Come on, let's do it. Oh, I forgot something. Do you know what is it? I buy this from Amazon. As you can see here, Amazon is written. Now I am going to open it. Before opening it, if you want to buy this, I'll give you the link to buy this in the description. Wow, as you can see this, there is a cover and some things over here. And this is a tower fan, and let me uncover it. So now I uncovered it. As you can see, this is a tower fan, and now I'm going to remove this too. And first, this is the instruction manual for this tower fan. The front side and the back side. So this is the swing button. As you can see, if you press this button, this will swing like this, and we can also rotate it. We have 3 speeds level, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I'm removing the cover from the back side. Slowly you have to do. As you can see, there is a wire over here. There is no need to hurry. See, there are small filters inside, and you have to clean it by removing this. I'm using this as a vertical. You can also use horizontal. So I have used the vertical to keep the tower fan in the holder. If you want to place horizontal, you can place horizontal. And if you don't know what are these things, these are the things used for the tower fan. You have to keep like this. And you have to put screws in here, and after keeping the screw, you can place in the wall horizontally. I'll switch on the button, and these are scroll up and down, and I'm going to on it now. As you can see, fresh air is coming. You cannot see, but there is a nice air and fresh coming. Now I'm going to off it. Now let me increase the speed to 2 and 3. This is 2 and this is 3, very powerful. Now let me off it. Now as you read, this is my best friend now. Hi best friend. Now he's saying bye and subscribe to my channel and like all my videos and bye bye. Click the bell icon so that you can get my all videos and this video too. Tell bye to your best kitchen friend.